Hello world, thank you for tuning in once again. This is your favorite friendly neighborhood realtor, DC the Realtor, coming to you today from Moreno Valley, California. For all you folks who don't know where Moreno Valley is, it's basically north of Paris, west of Riverside. It will be east of Hemet, so on and so forth, okay? So today we're featuring two single-story homes. Let me turn the camera around. Like I was saying, today we're featuring two single-level homes, right? Both, like I said, single level. The first one is going to be a 3 to 4 bedroom with 2 baths. The second one is going to be a 4 to 5 bedroom with 2 baths, optional den, so on and so forth. Okay, folks, listen, please. As usual, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We're going to go in, we're going to take a look. Please let me know what you think in the comments, okay? Thanks. All right, let's go in and take a look at this first plan. Alrighty, folks, so once again, this first model here is going to be a 3 to 4 bedroom, 2 bath, 2-car garage. That 4th bedroom is optional. You can make it into a den, right? And this one's going to be starting at $594K. Alrighty, folks. And as you can see, as we walk in, bright, open, and contemporary floor plan, well known as open concept. Alrighty then. I'll tell you what, before we get into that, we have some rooms over to our right here that we'll take a look at. So right now, this is how they have this stage as an office. This is actually one of your optional bedrooms here. And then down the corridor here. Oops, let me point out the storage. Always want to point out the storage in my videos. You folks know why. If your family's anything like mine, you can use all the storage you can get, right, folks? Right here we have our first full bath. And then right to the right here, we have here another bedroom. And let's get another view of the bedroom. Let's swing it on around here. Here's our first bedroom. Second bedroom. Here's yet another bedroom. Let's get another view. Let's swing it around. We have yet another view. Let's make our way out. Alrighty then. So, as always, I want to remind you folks that there are down payment assistance programs available for FHA as well as conventional buyers. And here's our open floor plan first. Might as well hit you with a money shot of the living area. Look at that. Here's our whole open concept here. Let's get a money shot of that dining area. Dining area, money shot. Very nicely staged and very nicely situated and arranged with this floor plan that they have here. This particular builder, I'll have you know, is a top-notch builder, not only in Southern California, but throughout the country. Very well known. You know where they are? Give me a call. Here's our gourmet kitchen. Let's get a gourmet shot. Let's get a gourmet shot. Money shot. Bam! There she is. Let's walk around. And of course, we have our appliance here, the package here, right? So we have the microwave, we have the stove, we have the dishwasher, right? As always in my videos, I like to make sure I point out to you folks, most new builds, this builder's no exception. Refrigerators are not included. Here's another view of the open concept in this beautiful home, 1-story home in Moreno Valley, California. We're gonna take it to the backyard now, folks. Look at this spacious, open concept backyard. All right then. So look right here, we have enough room for a sitting area, right? You can have your sports activities on that part there. Your kids can entertain themselves there. They have enough room for a table here that seats 2 for 6, a grill. All right, let's get another view. How's this for a view, folks? Are you getting the idea about how spacious this backyard is? And I always like to, when there's a nice sized backyard, I always want to point them out, okay? Because they are very rare in new builds. Builders try to maximize their lot space by cramming as many homes into a sight as possible. So in this particular case, that wasn't the objective. The objective with this builder was to give you a nice living space and a nice, enjoyable, and sizable backyard to boot. Hats off to them. All right, let's make our way back inside. And also, let me mention, of course, I go by DC the Realtor. My brokerage is Century 21 King, and we are on Day Creek Boulevard in Rancho Cucamonga, folks. Okay, come by and see us. All right, so as we make our way back in, we have yet another view of the beautiful open concept here. There's some storage there. I didn't open that up, did I? Let's not miss anything. This is actually going to be a pantry or storage closet. Let's spin it on back around. Alrighty then, let's make our way to the other bedrooms, etc. So as we make our way this way, what do we have? We have our laundry room, folks. And once again, laundry rooms often feature very nice washers and dryers. When you visit new builds, the only problem with that is they do not come with. Okay? No washers, no dryers, no refrigerators are included in new builds, folks. Typically. Depending on how motivated your buyer and seller is. Here's our master bedroom, folks. Look at that. Let's get another view. All right, here's another view. And then we're going to swing it around and get yet another view of our master bedroom, which is very sizable. Like you see, they have a bench in front of the bed. It's still 5-6 feet maybe between the bed and this wall here. Those nightstands. And that's a king size bed, folks. That's a king size bed. And it has nightstands on either side to boot with plenty of room, as you can see, on this side as well. How about this? Here we are. There's our master bathroom, folks. Right? Dual sinks. Spa shower. Right? We have our restroom area with its own door. That's always cool. Then of course here we have a storage closet adjacent to a walk-in. Here's our walk-in closet, folks. Let me walk in there and get you the idea of what it's really, how deep it is. All right, so I'm tucked in the corner to the left, and now we're coming out. All right then, folks. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. DC the Realtor is on TikTok at dc.the.realtor. I'm also on Instagram at DCW the Realtor. And of course, you watch me now on YouTube, and that's just plain old DC the Realtor. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, let's get one last fell swoop of the gorgeous open concept living area, dining area, kitchen, backyard patio. Very nicely done, very nicely arranged here in Moreno Valley, California. Give me a call, folks. I'd love to bring you out to see this. Thank you for watching. And as usual, one last view of the residence as we depart. Alrighty, folks. So, how you doing there, man? We are exiting that first property. Let's get a view of the front. All right, as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. All right then.